Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Bargo for Bargo part number 2, and we have a 2-car endeavour arriving on platform number 1 for our Campbelltown service. Leading power car 2863. LE 2863 and friend now departing platform number 1, Campbelltown service. N13, it'll be stopping at Tarmore, then followed by Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, MacArthur and Campbelltown. N13 is a set. NR8 leading, followed by Sister Loco NR7. I've just been informed the one number is actually 2PS7, not 4 MB4 as stated earlier. The locos are NR8 and NR7. The one number is actually 2PS7. They came all the way from Perth in Western Australia. We have a loaded train passing platform number 1, 9315 leading. Training locos 8234 and 8242. And we have freight passing southbound platform number 2. see Toyota Land Cruiser. That looks cute. We have a cement train pass on platform number 1, leading loco 8105. We should have SP33, the Canberra Explorer, walking past platform number 2 at Bargo. We have a Campbelltown service arriving on platform number 1 at Bargo. It'll be stopping at Tamor, followed by Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, Macarthur and Campbelltown. N7 is the centre. Endeavour set N7 now departing platform number 1, Campbelltown service. N7 will be stopping at Tamor, then followed by Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, Macarthur and Campbelltown. We have a loaded coal train passing platform number 2 at Bargo. Leading loco 9350. And 8242.
We have an 81.
We got some 81 classes passing platform number 1 heading to Richie Hill, leading loco 8126. The leading loco was 8126 and a trailing loco was 8172. We have a steel train passing platform number 1.
No, it's MW2. 5MW2.
5MW2 is the 1 number. Leading loco NR48. Followed by NR91, 9310 and NR40. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now. And say goodbye to Transfer Vlogs for Sydney.